Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Rewards not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If your points are not updating, searches are not counting, or daily activities are not loading, a few quick checks can usually solve the problem. First, turn off any VPN or proxy you are using. Since Microsoft Rewards depends on your region, using a VPN can create location conflicts and stop points from tracking correctly. Disable any VPN apps, browser VPN features, or proxy tools before continuing. Next, try using a different browser or device. If you're using Chrome, switch to Microsoft Edge since it works closely with Microsoft services and often performs better with rewards. After that, open a private browsing window. In Edge, use an in-private window, and in Chrome, use incognito mode. This disables most extensions that might interfere with rewards tracking. Now, visit Microsoft Rewards and try your searches or activities again. If it works in private mode, an extension or browser setting was likely causing the issue. If the problem continues, combine all three fixes. Disable your VPN, switch to Edge, and use an in-private window. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Microsoft Rewards not working. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.